Jordan Price Williams I fi. Fi dod o Gymafan yn Ryddol. Fi'n chwarae cello. Fi wedi bod yn diwtor ar cwrs gwerin gwallgo. A ar un o bryd, fi yw'r person sy'n trefnu afanc. I'm one of the older members of our particular generation. And so when I first got into folk music, which I sort of fell into after I left music college, I used to go up to Beam, the Arbrawf Mawr, the big folky experiment that Trac used to run up in North Wales. And that was one of the first major sort of inductions that I had to Welsh traditional music. And it was also the place where I, in fact, met both Patrick Grimes and Aneirin Jones, who I now work with professionally. Since then, Trac has sort of always been there in the background, offering various things, from artist development days later to full artist development programs with projects that I've been working in. And more recently now, Trac employ me as the coordinator for Afanc. There's been a huge amount of support, and along that way, lots of us have been tutors in Gwerin Gwallgo, which have sort of, we were there right in the beginning when Afanc were just little ones. Oedd Trac yn bwysig iawn yn ystod careers o'n cenhedlaeth ni, a maen nhw wedi pasio'r fflam ymlaen i ni nawr i helpo addysgu y cenhedlaeth nesaf. Ac mae hwn yn cynnwys pasio ymlaen yr alawan, pasio ymlaen y caneuon, enghraifft. It's clear there was something else needed to bridge this gap between playing music as a hobby when you're a teenager to being a professional, and this is where Afanc has come in. It is a project, a band project, a musical project, but most importantly, it is a training opportunity. They really are providing the opportunity for people to grow into professional musicians who have a toolkit that is absolutely full of all the necessary tools for them to move forward in their careers. I grew up in a non-Welsh speaking family in a formerly incredibly Welsh speaking area, and that connection between Cymreicdod, our Welsh identity, and the language, and being denied that by the sort of luck of the draw, left me with a sense of needing to reconcile those two issues. Essentially, I was always looking for this feeling of belonging, and that is what Welsh music and Welsh traditional music has always given me. For me, it brought together my creativity and this sense of belonging in my own home. Trac was, from my understanding, a sort of grassroots movement, a response to people needing somebody to help steer the ship of the cultural revival in Wales, specifically in traditional and folk music. Over the past 22 years, this is exactly what they've done time and time again, often with minimal resources. They have provided opportunities for people to engage with traditional music and our traditional culture and take it home with them, and it's something that then is their pleasure at home, it's their hobby, it's their pastime. Trac have also provided this opportunity for people to fully step in to this tradition and build creative careers. They are essentially helping to put people like myself, to shove us forward and help us really get to where we want to be. And that's important personally, but it's also important culturally and nationally for Wales. So the job that they're doing in a huge number of smaller tasks actually delivers something incredibly important and incredibly broad.